Hey, hello everybody. Beautiful, beautiful area, covered in shade. Not good for the solar panels, but good for working on the van. I'm gonna flip the camera. Can you guess what I'm doing? Oops, spoiler alert. As everybody knows, there are 2 panels on the van. I have 2 more, so guess what? I'm gonna put all 4 up there. And because my 2 lithium batteries will not stay level in charge, state of charge, set up parallel, I'm going to put 2 panels and a charge controller for each battery. Each one of my SOK 206 amp hour batteries is going to have its own independent 400 watt solar panel kit. So I went to a local garage door company and picked up some, what I call long bar. They call it punch, whatever. I think I paid $100 for 6 sticks of it. It's 10 foot long. Cut 2 of them in half to make those 5 feet, and I'm going to make a 5x10 frame, put 4 panels on it, then muscle it up there on the van and strap it down to the roof racks I have. I'm making a mess, as always, but I will clean it up, as always. And that's what I'm doing today. There will be updates. Stay tuned. Until next time, happy trails.